Do you love graphic design and your biggest wish is to become a graphic designer? With our course you can achieve this goal in 40 minutes. After the course you will receive a certificate from us that can improve your career opportunities. The course covers all basic and advanced knowledge about graphic design. The course contents: the basic and advanced knowledge about graphic design. Important rules and principles of graphic design. How to use the principles of graphic design. Which print products exist? About the readability of texts. What is your target audience? How to determine the needs of your target audience. 3 rules for design. Why it is important to create groups of elements and repetitions. Knowledge about the page format and layout, for e.g. design grids, columns. The secrets of a good layout. Possible mistakes a layouter can make. Knowledge about shapes, effects of squares, circles, triangles, rectangles. Knowledge about colors and how to use colors in your designs. Why does color affect us? Colors and color theory. Color systems, RGB, CMYK. Color harmony. You learn to know how to use colors in your designs and layouts. Bonus 1, 70 food icons, from my earlier digital product shop. Bonus 2, 15 fonts for commercial and private use. Register now and subscribe to our graphic design course. Link in the description. See you soon.